Hi everyone, my name is Brenda. I am in Paralegal Technology at Collège Antique. I've been in this program for 3 years now and I really enjoy it. One of the main tasks of Paralegal Technology students is to do legal research. To do legal research is to gather the law applicable to a situation in order to give a legal opinion or to make a decision. This applicable law is found in written text of laws and regulations, and jurisprudence, which is the set of decisions rendered by the courthouse on which judges rely to interpret laws, and in doctrine, which are works, treatises, books, and articles written by lawyers on a field or subject of law to explain or interpret the law. You must have a good research method, but also good tools. If you don't have good tools, you won't be able to do good legal research, which is unacceptable in a workplace with lawyers and notaries. One of the greatest tools for a paralegal technology student is this website, www.cash.qc.ca. This website has permission to make accessible the legal information to its members. The biggest advantage with this website for a paralegal technology student is that it's completely free. It has a big variety of online legal resources as jurisprudence, legislation, annotated laws, questions of research, doctrine, and much more. So this is their official homepage, and you have five sections that could be useful for a paralegal technology student. The first section is ILOA. This section is a tool allowing to consult the bilingual complete text of several laws of Quebec and federal and diverse domains of law. Once you click on it, you can see categories of domains of law. If you're looking for a specific law, you just have to go to the category you think it belongs and click on the law you're looking for. Example, if you're looking for divorce law, you just have to go to the family category, and there you have divorce law. Once you click on it, you have the table of contents, and you will have every articles of the divorce law. And you just have to click on the one you're looking for. The second section is e-doctrine. It is a search tool allowing to look in the whole of the available publications of doctrine and complete text. It's the same concept as the first section. You can look for what domains law you are looking for or which author you're looking for, but I think it's easier to go by domain of law, because if you go by author, it won't be as precise as if you just go by domain of law. The third section is tuple. It is a bank of knowledge of more than 5,000 questions of research of about at least 55 domains of law. Once again, when you click on it, you have to choose which domain of laws you need. Once you find it, you have to choose the subdomain. Now you have all the questions of research that is going to help you to do your research. Because when you start by a good question of research, that's when you know that you're going to have a good research. The fourth section is Biblio. This is the online catalog of the website. It gives access to the collections of the cache, as well as to the articles of listed periodicals. This section, you have to use it as if you were at the library and you're looking for a book. You type your subject in the search bar or your domain of law once again, and it gives you choices of articles about what you're looking for. And the last but not least section is e-dictionnaire. This is basically a dictionary about the legal vocabulary. You just have to type in the search bar a word that you don't understand or that you want the legal meaning of, and it gives you the definition. So this is basically it for the CASH website. Hopefully, if you're thinking about going into paralegal technology program, this website will help you as much as it helped me. And if you're already in the program, I suggest you to go to this website. And this is it. Enjoy your day.